my major design project is titled MetaMorphosis. We live in a time where the forces of transport, security, and capitalistic ideals slow down architectural practice from doing architecture. Focusing on Sandton, a city within Johannesburg, is seen as an example of development fueled by purely economic forces. These forces have become dominant influences, relegating human experience and belonging to near non-existence. I term this exclusionary single-stranded development model as alien growth, whereby many good intentions are mutated beyond recognition, seen as creating a city not imagined, a strange context as if it was created by aliens. Western ideals of what a city should look like, how it should function to achieve economic gain, have overridden the human experience of what the African city is about. Thus, the city has revolutionized past the creation of its surrounding context. There is a notable disjunction between the design of populated cities, which are all economically driven and disconnected, whereas society should be the organized focus. My process pivots on two considerations. The first, a process of investigating the meta, an interest in broad-scale change in architectural approach, change in urban practice, and change in the physical realm by identifying possible stations within the city. The second, imagining changed realities through a process of morphosis, a shifting and speculative design process of an alternative creation of such station. This dual approach to reimagining Sandton relies on the systematic unpacking, deconstruction of the current alien makeup and the current stations. My process intends to reassemble these separate systems towards new arrangements of productive and human urban environments, ultimately designing a new hybrid station. The hybrid station is a singularity of two combined stations. The first, a literal mobility station, and the other, a station of capitalist consumerism titled as culture. The makeup of this new hybrid station is an alteration of the existing with the displacement of the other. By drawing on capitalist constructed culture of the mall and by installing its moments to respond to moments of arrival in the current literal station, the result is a new hybrid, a mobility and capital cultural station in Sandton. This hybrid originates but is not subject to the underground, as it establishes as a networking welcome mat to the city, a seed that will develop and grow from its roots. By working within Sandton and creating a new change or morphosis, one is actually beginning the process of designing a transplantable station to be situated in any metro, the symbolic planting of a seed.